Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes W203. This is an early one, 2006, and I'm just going to show you how you can reset the service reminder that comes up on the screen. Now at the moment I don't have a reminder. This is still due in 4,000 miles, so if I just toggle here, you can see service B in 4,700 miles. However, this car was serviced last June, and we are in July 2024, and this was serviced June 2023. So I've just carried out a service in it, as it has been 1 year. But also because the car is come back to me, it was sold a couple of years ago, and now is up for sale again, and I need to I just serviced the car, so I need to reset that, otherwise that's gonna come up in 4,000 miles to the new owner. But since it has been serviced, we can go ahead and reset that. So I'm doing the reset of that, but you can, the same method obviously, if you had the reminder where that would come up saying service due or service due minus a certain amount of miles. So in this one, if you get your key, put it in the ignition, position 1, and then press this button here 3 times, so the voltage there will show up. Got the voltage. Sorry, I'll just get the ignition on here, and then look for the service interval again. Oh, there it is. Right, so you just need to toggle with that, and you'll find that service interval there, and then press this button 1 time, and now it says oil grade. So you need to select which oil you used. If you check these grades down here, one is like 0W40, the other one is 5W40, something like that. I used the standard 5W30 in this case scenario. So I'm going to select the standard. Okay, so we have the standard oil, then press the arrow up here 1 time, and then it says confirm oil reset, press R for 3 seconds, and the R button is this one here. So press it for 3 seconds, and release it, and then it says service confirmed, and that should have reset our service. So now we have service A in 10,000 miles, and well, that's pretty much it. Now if you check your service, if you want to, with this arrow, it's there. And well, that's pretty much it. So hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.